Hey guys, I have another quick unbagging boxing video for you guys today. I ordered the Miss Fong diaper bag from Amazon about, 4 days ago. I did the really quick shipping because, you know, I'm impatient that way. It came this afternoon and I just took it out of the bag. I haven't seen these in person before. This is kind of like the knockoff version of the Fong Design bag, but a lot of people really like it. So I did have a Fong Design and it was beautiful bag, very pretty, but it was just quite heavy. So I ended up not keeping it because it was hurting my back. Also, I don't know, there was just something about it that was just hurting me when I was wearing it. So this is supposed to be very similar, but a lot lighter and just a few different features. So it comes in this nice, I guess it's a dust bag. It says Miss Fong, a 3 years old boy's mum. Okay. Pretty cool. So let's open it up here and see what's inside. Alright, so drawstring. So I got the beige or the cream color. Okay, so that's how it comes. Oh, it's a lot darker than I expected, which is fine. It's kind of a beige, maybe? Yeah, more beige, not cream. So it's got the gold hardware here, which is nice. Let's see what the zippers are like. Oh, those are actually really nice. This bag is super cheap. It only cost like $45 American. So even for me in Australian dollars, it was worth giving it a go because I do really like the design on these. Okay, so on the back here, it's got backpack straps as well that are all packaged up. So just take that off. So the backpack straps look like, I think part of it's all the faux leather. Okay, so it's, I forgot to mention this isn't real leather, it's faux leather, but it's quite nice. It doesn't feel bad at all. I know they have moved the connection of the strap to the side, so this is a newer version of the Miss Fong bag. So let me just take these plastic straps off. Okay, so I took the backpack straps off here. So these are, the plastic bits. So this is adjustable here, which is, so I guess it's one of those you got to kind of push it through to adjust. There's a little pocket thing back here that you can put your wipes in. I'm not sure what I'd use that for, but anyway, that's there. It attaches up the top here with some pretty good stitching. And these sides here are pretty well reinforced as well. I like to look at all that quality control stuff. So the bag does have zippers on the side here as well. So there's plastic on all the hardware, which is nice. So you've got a little tag here that says Miss Fong, attached with one of these little metal loopy things. It's got loops here too because there is a messenger strap that comes with this. This had two options to do. You could either have it where it's sewn into the bag, the backpack straps, or they had an option where you had a D-ring in the middle and it came with one strap that you could use thread through for a backpack, or you could remove it and use it as a messenger. I chose to do this one because I prefer to have these here, and I didn't want the seatbelt strap. I wanted this material strap. So it's got a pocket here, which is actually quite roomy. It's got the pockets on the side too, as well as the zip pockets. The zippers are really nice. Okay, so let's see what the inside is like. Okay, so the lining is kind of like a light gray blue. It's hard to tell. It looks different on the camera, but in real life it's like a sky gray blue, I suppose. It's really hard to explain. So this does fold back. This is a wipeable material. It's got a key leash here as well, with a little hook on the end. So you'd have to have something on your keys that hooks on, otherwise this wouldn't really be the best design to just kind of hook it onto a D-ringy thing on your keys. It'll work for me because I have my NCO key ring. Okay, so in the center here you've got a change pad that it comes with that clips together. So this is in the same material on the outside and the wipeable material on the inside, so that's actually really nice. It's thick enough for a newborn or baby. You've also got a strap, messenger strap, that you can attach to wear it messenger style as well, which is nice. It doesn't have a grab handle, so a lot of the time you either grab it from the top or you have the messenger strap on to grab it. Also comes with stroller straps. These are just a webbing, seat webbing, belt webbing material with nice hardware, it looks like, in there as well. The inside of the bag there, so that's one side. Turn around so you can see the other side. So you've got a zip, really long zipper compartment here. Yeah, that's a nice size. And this is all that trimmed in the faux leather as well, which is really nice. I think they have upgraded this since the first versions they did. Mesh pockets here, and another zipper pocket here, an elastic insulator pocket right there, which seems pretty good. and another insulator pocket on the other side as well, and another mesh pocket, and then just the bottom. So yeah, so I'm really curious as to packing this up and see how it wears. It's a nice color. It's kind of different than I expected, a little darker, but it's still nice. I have a lot of dark bags, so it's nice to have a light bag. All right, guys. So I will see you later on for a packing video down the road and a review. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.